Hello everyone, welcome to our series of chats with the team of R&D Center here in Poland. I'm Gosia and joining me today is fantastic Viola Bilikiewicz. Hi Viola.
Hi Gosia, hi to everyone. It's a pleasure to be with you all today.
We are thrilled to have you. To kick things off, could you share a bit about your expertise?
Absolutely. I have a solid 6 years under my belt in IT, diving deep into the thrilling world of cybersecurity. My current project is all about multi-factor identity and access management, but I've been involved in security matters for quite some time, having previously worked on a solution that secured data through CPU-level encryption and compression.
Fascinating stuff. Today we are chatting from Dell Technologies Warsaw office. The Polish R&D Center opened its door about 2 years ago and have been a hive of innovation and numerous projects. There are almost 250 people working at R&D department in Poland now. What made you to decide to join that?
I joined over 1 year ago. Making this decision wasn't easy. In fact, I would go as far as saying it was one of the most challenging decisions I've ever made. Stepping out of our comfort zone is always a tough task, isn't it? But what drives me the most, I think, that is a chance to build something entirely fresh and unique. That feeling when your ideas have materialized impact on building something big, that pushes me forward. What's more, it's not very common to get this kind of chance.
It's quite insightful. Joining Dell sounded like a leap. Tell me, what did it mean that you were about to take a step out of your comfort zone?
Well, I had spent about 5 years at my previous job, establishing a strong presence there. Jumping into a new role meant starting from scratch, building my personal brand all over again. It meant leaving my comfortable zone, but also it's an exciting journey.
Understandable. It takes courage and willingness to embrace change. Kudos for you for making that leap. Could you tell us more about your team and the project you are currently engrossed in?
Unfortunately, I cannot say a lot since my project is an internal solution, but together with my team we are working on project related to user trust and authorization. It's identity and access management solution shared across all Dell ISG products, centrally developed by one engineering team. We are using various security controls to ensure that individual users are identified and granted access only to those digital resources to which they should have access.
It sounds intriguing, even with the details under wraps. How about the team dynamics and any challenges you faced in the team?
Our team is a melting pot of cultures and time zones, from the US to Poland, Israel, India, and Singapore. Coordinating across these different time zones is our main hurdle, but we've established core hours for everyone to sync up, which has significantly improved our workflow. Adapting Scrum methodologies to our unique needs has also been a game changer.
That's a smart approach. And what technologies are you guys using?
I would say that our greatest model is Zero Trust architecture. It's a security model that is based on the notion of never trust, always verify. As companies move data between on-prem, the cloud, out of the edge, Zero Trust architecture is becoming vital. Besides that, for identity and access management, we are delivering mechanism which is using different protocols for authorization, authentication, user management, like RSA, SAML, OIDC, OAuth.
Before we wrap up, what's something special about working at Dell that keeps you driven?
Being a part of something new, having access to new technologies, and the opportunities I get here are certainly significant factors for me. I don't just think about technical aspects, but also about ERG groups that are already active in Poland. Additionally, I've had the opportunity to participate in many conferences, the most well-known, Dell Technologies Forum, where teams presented various Dell solutions that are not typically part of my daily work.
That's great to hear. I'm looking forward to cross paths with you at future events and discussing more groundbreaking projects. Best of luck for you with everything, Viola. It's been fantastic having you with us.
Same here, Gosia. Thanks very much for the opportunity to share. Looking forward to more collaborations.